Welcome to another episode of Cryotos Maintenance Management. I'm Bruce, and today we're diving into the exciting topic of CMMS and IoT integration. This is a game changer for industrial maintenance, and I'm joined by Alex, an expert in maintenance management and IoT. Alex, great to have you here.
Thanks, Bruce. Excited to talk about this topic. IoT is revolutionizing maintenance management, and when combined with CMMS, it opens up a whole new world of possibilities.
Let's start simple. What does IoT bring to the table when paired with a CMMS?
In short, IoT connects your equipment to real-time data. Sensors on machines track conditions like temperature and vibrations, and this data feeds directly into your CMMS. The benefit? Instead of waiting for scheduled maintenance or manual checks, you get immediate alerts about potential issues, enabling proactive, predictive maintenance.
So it's all about real-time data, but what specific benefits does this integration offer businesses?
There are several key benefits. Predictive maintenance. It detects issues before they lead to failure. Reduced downtime. Quick alerts lead to faster repairs. Optimized resources. The efficient allocation of manpower and tools. Extended asset life. The regular monitoring extends asset lifespan. Data-driven insights. You can analyze data trends to improve processes.
That's a lot of value, but how difficult is it to set up such an integration?
The setup is fairly straightforward. First, install IoT sensors on critical assets, then connect them to a network, and set up your CMMS to receive and analyze the data. Finally, implement alerts and reports for actionable insights. It's manageable for most businesses with a solid IT setup.
Great. Any final advice for companies looking to integrate IoT with their CMMS?
Start small. Pick a few critical assets to begin with and scale from there. The benefits are too significant to ignore. And as you get comfortable, you will unlock even greater efficiencies.
Thank you, Alex. That's some great advice. And thanks to all our listeners for tuning in. Be sure to subscribe for more insights on how to make your maintenance smarter and more efficient. Until next time.